New year,
New me.
are you ready to start the new year with a better version of yourself and less toxic chemicals? This diffuser blend is the perfect way to start. Start incorporating essential oils into your home using the simple method of diffusing with this New Year, New Me diffuser blend.
For this recipe, you're gonna need your January 2022 recipe box.
And big bonus box. From your recipe box, grab your labels and your recipe card. And we're going to be using all the oils in this month's box to make this wonderful aroma.
And from the big bonus box, you're gonna grab your 5 milliliter bottle.
To make a master blend of this recipe.
And from your home, you're gonna grab a diffuser.
To make this diffuser blend, open up your diffuser, fill with water to the allotted line. Add 1 drop of patchouli, 1 drop of pine, 2 drops of citrus burst, and 2 drops of clary sage.
Put your lid on.
And diffuse. If you love the smell of this blend, grab that 5 milliliter bottle and make a master blend. So to make a master blend of this recipe, we'll use 17 drops pine, 17 drops patchouli, 33 drops clary sage, and 33 drops of citrus burst.
And since we know you're gonna love that blend, we included a label for you.
To use your master blend, just add a few drops to your diffuser. You can add more or less depending on the size of your room, diffuser, and your personal preference.
For more recipes just like this, head to simplyearth.com/box and don't forget to hit that subscribe now button.
It's a new year, new you, to start using essential oils to make your home toxin-free.
Thanks for watching.